guys, how are you? Uncle Dan here. The topic today is how do you build trust with customers, okay? There's a lot of different layers of trust. There's big trust. I mean, and this is what we all want to go for. We want the type of customer that walks in and hands you their credit card or hands you their keys or just walks in. They just want to do business with you no matter what. That's big trust. At the opposite end of big trust is something we call distrust. And believe me, in this digital age we live in, there's a tremendous amount of distrust out there in the world. So the game for you as a business person is not to think that you can create giant trust with someone like that, because that's not how it works. The game really should, and this is a term that I coined, a distinction that I came up with over the years, is something called maybe trust. When you first interact with a customer, that very first time, we'll call them a prospect, they're not doing business with you yet. You have to communicate with them in such a way and with such passion and look them right in the eye and make such a big commitment to help them that they think in the back of their head automatically, they're not going to express this right away, but they're thinking, maybe I can trust Dan. He sounds really sincere, he's passionate, he's animated. Maybe I can trust him. And that's that's the first instance. And what you're doing when you can create maybe trust consistently over time, you become a super world-class salesperson and business person. Because people will come to you and they'll go, wow, maybe I can trust this person. And then it's a short hop, skip, and a jump into getting into action with them. If they think they can trust you, they're willing to do business with you. If they think, I can't trust them, or maybe you haven't handled the distrust piece, they're not going to dance with you. So the game is to use language and communication and passion and energy and everything to create the possibility of trust. We call that maybe trust right from the get-go. Come to Power Sales Training every week. This is exactly the kind of thing we work on.